Hello.
Good
Am,
morning, sir.
very good morning. Am I audible to all?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning.
Yes, sir.
Shall we wait or we start? What about the others? Only how many? 12, near about 12, 11. Let them join, then we start. Chalo, we start. So this is your club activity. So today on 18th of October, na, CBSC released a circular. Okay, they are going to plan. They are conducting. They are organizing a AWS Young Challenge. I am sharing the screen. See, this one we are talking about AWS Young Builders Challenge 2021. Okay, so you have to build a model. Okay, and if your project will be selected, then the award and recognition will be provided by the AWS. AWS is what? This is the Amazon Web Services. This is one of the cloud service provider. CBSC is going to organize a challenge in the collaboration of AWS. AWS, it's a company owned by the Amazon, and basically these are basically this company is a service cloud service provider. I will explain how what is the what is the cloud computing, and then we will discuss how to open the Amazon Web Services, mein how you go and open your any account, and then how we are able to avail the services whatever provided by the Amazon. Okay, for the next 1 year, for the 1 year you have nothing to pay, only 2 rupees they will charge. Okay, if you are going to create the account, they will go and create the 2 rupees charge, and one up to 1 year means initial 1 year they are not charging anything. You can go and upload any files over the AWS S3 package is there. Then some of the benefits, elastic scaling is there. I will discuss all the things we will discuss. Take care. So first we have to know one thing. What is all about the challenge and all. Take care. So this is what they are going to initiative. Basically, they are taking some initiative in order to promote how artificial intelligence going to change the future of the country. So you have to plan a theme. Take care. Either your theme will be based on the education or healthcare, agriculture, transportation, and any others. Take care. So these are the themes. Based on the in any one of these themes, you have to develop a either a prototype or running model, okay, with the help of some interactive tools and all. And then if your project will be selected, then you will be awarded with the some certificate and some other recognition they will provide. Okay, so what we have to do, being as a this one, first we will being as a teacher we will register here. Okay, and once we have registered, then you people are able to participate. Once you registration done, then all of you are able to learn the AI along with the cloud computing via self-learning modules. Means they will send you the some LMS, learning management system. They will provide. They will provide some PPT files. They will provide some video file. They will provide some LMS. LMS means what? Learning management system means they will provide some software. With the help of software, you are able to learn how AI is working, how we are able to develop a project based on the AI, and then how cloud computing, based on the cloud computing, we are able to avail the services of a virtual server. So first they will give the what? First they will provide the some learning modules, self-learning modules. No teacher will be there. But for any other for any kind of help and all, you can contact either Partho sir, me, and Subodh sir, any one of us. Okay, so we will guide you. So they will provide the modules. You have to go through the modules. You have to get idea about the AI, get idea about the cloud computing, and once you have get all the knowledge now, then you have to build the project. based on these themes or any other themes you can decide. And now with the help of some interactive tool and so on, so we will guide you how to do the how to build the project and model. We will guide you. Then your model will be registered, your model will be submitted, and then they will finalize the top project to be featured in a national virtual showcase ceremony will be there. And if your project will be selected, then your project will be the part of this ceremony. ठीक है, तो like this. So you just go this particular circular I will send on your WhatsApp number, this WhatsApp number. You just go through. ठीक है, तो before I am posting this one, today I am going to explain what is AWS. ठीक है, तो first we will go and learn what is AWS. ठीक है, तो देखो AWS है क्या, what is the meaning of cloud. Everywhere you are everywhere you heard about the cloud computing and cloud service or cloud server and all. आपने देखा होगा Apple iPhone में we are having, when you go and take any photographs, so they are displaying one pop-up message. Pop-up message में we are getting an option कि you want to store your photographs or your file on the cloud. So what is the meaning of cloud? First we have to know this one. Then I will explain what is AWS, ठीक है, and how we are anybody can go and create the account on AWS. ठीक है, once you have created the AWS account, then you are able to do any kind of, we are able to avail the services of cloud. ठीक है, तो first we have to know what is the cloud service or cloud computing environment. So before this one, we have to know the traditional data center. What is the meaning of traditional data center? आपने सुना होगा. Suppose you haven't heard, तो now देखो what happened. DAB में ना we are having what? We are having the system. We are having in the lab, everywhere in the office we are having computers. In the labs we are having computers. Department में we are also having the computers and all. So these all computers will behave like a one client. And in order to process the client request or in order to store any data, whatever, any transaction, whatever the operations we are performing on the client, if I want to store all the data, we have to keep one server. This is the concept we are talking about. So what happened? Ki client's terminals or client machine में we are doing the task. We are working on the client machine, and then suppose जैसे मान लो example लो कि if people are using your laptop or your personal PC, ठीक है, personal computer. So what happened? Suppose I am typing Gmail account. I open www.gmail.com and then we go and deliver the login ID and password. Inside the login ID and password, once we have delivered login ID and password, if I click on the button, what my system will do? My system will send the request to the google.com. And google.com is what? This is one kind of website developed by the Google, where what they are doing, they are keeping all the information related to the Google account. So means they have kept a dedicated computers where all the servers related tasks will be stored there. So what happened, whenever we are sending any request, what my system will do? My system will go and send the request to the server. A server is what? Server is a 24/7 system, where why we are saying 24/7 means all the times your server is running. Means suppose I am sending request from the India, at the same time somebody is also sending the request from some other country. The server is 24/7 running system, and what the server will do? Server will receive the request from the client and it will process the request and then send to the client. Responses will be back to the client. अब होता क्या है कि now suppose we are having we are running a industry. एक मान लो we are running a IT industry, software company we are running. तो in software company में suppose I need a server, ठीक है, I am being as a software developer, we are planning to develop a software. हम लोग we are thinking of कि चलो we do one thing, we go and develop a software, ठीक है. So what happened? In order to develop a software, we need software and hardware. ठीक है, तो already we have some of the softwares and some of the hardwares we are having. So we are having two options. Either we go and purchase the entire software or entire hardware, and then we start our development. And once we develop the software, then we will hand over the software to the client. This is the option number one. अब उसमें होगा क्या कि suppose we are getting a project, and that particular project we are only getting up to for the next 2 years. So for the 2 years, we already pay the money, we already buy the product, already we buy the software, already we buy the hardware, and then for the after 2 years, there will be no use of my software and hardware if we are not getting any new project. This is the limitation we are having in a traditional data center. What is the meaning of traditional data center? Means everything, being as a company, everything will be on my premises. Means every for any kind of development, for any kind of application development, for any kind of database development, everything related to sorry, everything related to the software, everything related to the hardware, we go and purchase, and then everything will be on our premises. लेकिन what happened, मैंने just I said ना कि after 2 years, suppose we are not getting any project, तो those resources whatever we have purchased for the last 2 years, we cannot reuse for the next 1 or 2 years. So what happened in the cloud service provider, this is one kind of third party. What they will do, they will provide you the virtual server. Means everything they will provide, only you have to do what, only you have to focus on your application. Okay, in order to develop the application, whatever the software and whatever the hardware configuration you need, they will provide a virtual server. Only you have to do one thing, you go you use their server, do the development, and once your development is completed, so now you can release that particular server. Or this is the advantage of cloud computing environment. Cloud computing environment is what? This is a third party. This party will do? This party will provide a virtual server, and with the help of that particular virtual server, we are able to complete our application and all. And now they will charge, definitely they will charge something, like they will charge based on your usage. Means how many hours your usage, based on your usage they will charge some money. Or if you go and compare with the traditional data center, or by if you go and compare with your purchasing of software and hardware, so now the cost will be reduced in compared cost will be lesser than if I go and compare with the virtual server, means the cloud computing environment. So just I said na कि मान लो I want to develop a banking application. Suppose I want to develop a banking application as a company. तो होगा क्या कि now in my company I am having 50 system, 50 computers are there in my system, in my company, and we start development of banking software. And now once we have done the development, if I want to check, if I want to test my banking software, so only how many systems are there? Only 50 system, means 50 users, they are working on the banking software in order to see the performance of that particular software. लेकिन what happened, banking software है, so there must be 1 lakh and 1 millions, 1 billions users will be there. अब कोई भी बैंक होता है, initially we are having some limited number of users, लेकिन when the bank become popular, the number of users automatically increase, number of accounts holder will increase. So 50 system में we have checked the performance of my banking software. लेकिन what happened when we go and then when the same software used by the 1 lakh, 1 million and 1 billion people at the same time, what happened, that there might be the chances कि my performance, the performance of this software will be degraded. Why we are talking about degraded means we have tested our software before delivering the software. We have checked our software based on the 20 users only. 20 users means what? Means based on the 20 users, 50 users, we have checked the software, we have tested the software, and we are getting the response. Like if any company they are using the cloud service provider, so we are able to create the virtual account. Means virtual account means what? Dummy users we can create, 1 millions and 1 billions dummy users we can create, and we can put the load on that particular software and check the software whether we are getting the performance. We can check the performance of that particular software when on the same time 1 lakh and 1 million or 1 billion users they are working on the software, how much response, what kind of response we are getting from the software we can check. Lekin for any company it is not possible to test the software or check the software by applying 1 lakh, 1 million or 1 billion users on the same times. So this one advantage we are having in a cloud service provider, means we can create the dummy users, dummy account, and then with the help of those dummy accounts, we are able to what? We are able to put the load on the software, and we can check how much performance, how much response we are getting from the software. This is the second advantage we are having in cloud service. In दिस इज द सेकंड वन। अब होगा क्या कि नाउ मान लो कि वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द रिस्पॉन्स 5 अप टू द 50, up to the 50 system we are getting the good response, लेकिन after 500 my response will be degraded, means we are not getting the response within the 10 second and 20 second. So again I need what I need the additional server. अब होता क्या है कि आपने देखा होगा when you go and download the CBSE result, ठीक है, at the same time everyone is trying to download the CBSE result, तो what happened आपने देखा होगा page cannot be display, ठीक है, response not coming from the server, these kind of errors we are getting. Why these kind of errors is getting, means every users they are sending the request to the CBSE website server, and what happened, that particular server is not able to handle so many users on the same time, that's why we are not getting the response. और होता क्या है कि time out, some of the cases में ना we are getting the time out. Why we are getting the time out? होता क्या है कि now when I send a request from client machine to the server, what happened, every system, every project, every development में we are having a session. आपने देखा होगा if you are performing any transaction with any website, or we are getting the OTP, or OTP में we are having a time limit. Within this particular time period, if you are delivering the OTP, then your OTP will be accepted. Otherwise, your OTP will not be the considered for that particular transaction. So these phenomena, these concepts we are saying these as a session. Session means what? If you are not doing anything with the website for a certain period of time, automatically what your system will do? Your system will automatically log out from the your system will your server, means I am sending the request from my Malo in my system. I will open onlinesbi.com, and then already I open my account. Already I give my credential, login ID, password, everything I deliver, and then the home page is coming. और मैंने क्या किया कि now my home page is coming in front of me, and then I for the next 3 and 4 minutes I am not doing anything with the web SBI. So automatically, so what the server will notice कि no response is coming from this particular terminal. So you do one thing, the connection between the client and the server will be disconnected. Now again we have to re-log in. So this concept we are talking about the session. अब होता क्या है कि now cloud service में होता क्या है कि now suppose what happened when we are, अब सीबीएसई में भी आपने देखा होगा व्हेन यू गो एंड डाउनलोड एनी रिजल्ट, तो क्या होता है कि इनिशियली दोज हु आर एबल टू लॉग इन दे आर एबल टू डाउनलोड द रिजल्ट, लेकिन आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स ना यू पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू लॉग इन इनटू द सीबीएसई वेबसाइट. व्हाई? तो नाउ सर्वर हैज ए लिमिटेशन, मींस अप टू 10,000 or 20,000 your server is able to produce the faster response. लेकिन after 20,000 onwards, if the number of users will increase ना, automatically that particular server is not able to handle so many users on the same time. That's why we are getting the timeout or page cannot be displayed. This kind of error is coming, means my system lost the connection with the server. This is why my system is losing the connection. Why? Already I said na कि when I connect with the any server na, between my client machine and my server, they are having what? They are assigning some time. Within that particular time, if my system is connect with the server, then we are able to connect with the server. Otherwise, what happened if the server is not receiving any request from the client machine, so what will happen? It will lose the connection between the client and server. So now in cloud service provider, those who are providing the cloud servers, they are giving the facilities where we can do this kind of changes. अब देखो होगा क्या? We are able to check our software. We are able to see the performance of the software up to the 5,000. मान लो we are running a company, और उस company में we are up to 5,000. We are able to, means we are developing a banking software, or that particular banking software will do the everything well up to the 5,000 users. ठीक है? For additional number of users, again we have to build, again we have to establish one new server in order to reduce the overhead. आपने सुना होगा nowadays ना sorry, initially ना every banking organization, they are maintaining one server in the Mumbai. सारे बैंक, जितने भी बैंक हैं, ICICI, PNB, any all the banks, they are having one server in the Mumbai. Now, लेकिन होता क्या था? Initially ना the number of account holders are very less. तो इसलिए they are able to handle with the single server. लेकिन nowadays what they have done, they are establishing more than one server in order to divert the users in order to divert the loads on the different server. अब होगा क्या कि मान लो सिंपल सा लॉजिक लगाओ कि now one server is capable to handle 5000 users on the same time. लेकिन when I go and add one more server, now the load, now my system will be able to handle 10,000 users. Why? We have kept, we establish a new server. तो दैट्स वाई, तो लाइक दिस. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, मान लो कि अब सीबीएसई, जैसे मान लो सीबीएसई का ही लो, तो एवरी टाइम यू पीपल आर नॉट लॉग इन इनटू द सीबीएसई वेबसाइट. At the time of result, only all the CBSE students, they are trying to download the result from the CBSE. तो मान लो currently, suppose this is the example, I don't know the exact how many number of students are there in the CBSE. मान लो in 2021 में, in order to download the CBSE 10th or 12th result, total number of candidates 20 lakh, चलो 40 lakh candidates are there. They are trying to download the software. Like in CBSE, what the CBSE they have done, when they develop the website now, and that particular website they kept inside a single system. That particular system we will consider as a server. So now that particular server, they haven't tested with the 40 lakh users while checking, while testing the software. They haven't applied the 40 lakh user on the same times. They presume कि चलो ठीक है, we are going to develop a website and that particular website will be able to handle 40,000 or 30,000 candidate. Up to the 40,000 or up to the 1 lakh, my system will be able to handle all the responses. ठीक है, तो अब ऐसा नहीं करेंगे कि for the entire 3 and 4 years they will go and establish 4 and 5 servers or n number of servers in order to handle the 4 lakh or 40 lakh users. अब होगा क्या, when you go and increase the number of server ना, your cost will also increase. This is the disadvantage we are having. ठीक है, अब मान लो सिंगल सर्वर के लिए you are paying, in order to configure the single server, you are paying 2 lakh. अब मान लो more than one server if I want to establish, so for every additional server we have to pay 2 like this one. लेकिन all the servers will not be used all the times. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा all the times 40 lakh students every time 40 lakh every day or every minute 40 lakh students they are not logging into the CBSE website. तो होगा क्या उस तरह के केसेस में, the remaining servers more less than other than one server, all the servers will be sit idle. Idle means what? No, since no loads are there, so the remaining server no use, means whatever the servers we have added other than one, all will be sitting idle. Idle means what? We are since the load is not there, so they are not able to do any kind of transaction and all. तो वो server का जो पैसा था हमने जो whatever the we have paid for the additional server, that will be wasted. ठीक है, और वो additional server why we establish, in order to handle whenever the students will go and download the board result, that time all the 5 or all the 7 servers will be activated and they will perform the task. So only 3 and 4 days के लिए we are paying additional charges in order to establish the additional server. This is the limitation we are having in a traditional data center. लेकिन cloud में क्या होगा, cloud service में we are having, ठीक है, cloud computing environment में we are having a features where we can set the target. अब होगा क्या, how? Suppose we are going to avail the services of cloud virtual server. We are going to avail the services from the virtual server. So now when we go and configure na, so at the time of configuring the server, they will ask how many loads you want. So जैसे मान लो I deliver 1 lakh. I have written in the field, one box will be there. Inside the box we will write up to 1 lakh. I need one server. For any additional number of users, if increase, you do one thing, based on the my load, you go and check and you add additional server. यानी होगा क्या कि 1 lakh तक AWS they will provide one server, और जैसे ही number of users increase होंगे ना, automatically they will also technically we are calling as a auto scaling. ठीक है, उसको हम बोलते हैं auto scaling. Means what your system will do, we have configured कि up to 1 lakh I need one server, and beyond 1 lakh if the number of users increase, you do one thing, we can set the target, and based on the target automatically they will assign the server. This से advantage क्या होगा कि all the times we are not paying money for the n number of server, only we are paying the we are requesting for one server, and that particular server, whatever we have requested, that will handle 1 lakh. Whenever the number of users increase by any number beyond the 1 lakh, then automatically we are having a features we are calling as auto scaling. And with the help of auto scaling, what my system will do, automatically the cloud AWS, they will increase the server and we are able to do the same. This is the second advantage we are having in the cloud computing environment. और आपने देखा होगा nowadays ना, all the times not possible to open the laptop and do any kind of operations for the any company, for any industry and all. ठीक है, तो now cloud में they are giving features CloudWatch. One concept is there, CloudWatch. उसमें क्या होगा कि now in the CloudWatch, if anything is happening, जैसे मान लो कि if anybody is uploading any file in my website, suppose we have designed a website, और उस website पे if anybody is uploading any images, ठीक है, जैसे मान लो कि आप I develop a website, उस website में I created a form, ठीक है, one form is there, or when anybody go and fill the form na, automatically one message will come in my mobile ki now this particular person register their credential. So how this is happening? Manually we are not doing this one. What we will do, we will go and take the services of CloudWatch, or hoga kya ki if anybody is going to fill the form using my website, automatically I will get the notification, ठीक है, कि this is what this is, we will get the notification कि somebody register the information on your website. So this is what 24/7 support we are getting without the human intervention. This is the third advantage we are having. So chalo, we will discuss some practical part. Traditional data center में already I said कि for every individual server we have to pay some money. Already just I said होगा क्या, whenever we are having a peak traffic, so I have to buy more servers in order to handle them. For any kind of monitoring and maintenance of the servers, I need the manpower. Then only we are able to monitor and we are able to maintain the server. Just I said na कि if anybody is trying to fill the form on my website, then automatically I will get the message. So this is what means monitoring and maintenance. We are not paying any additional charge if we are using the cloud server. This is the advantage we are having. ठीक है, तो why we remove this part, or now everywhere every company they are using the cloud computing environment, means they are using the virtual server in order to reduce their money. Take a cost will be reduced. Any kind of troubleshooting easily handle, they will manage. ठीक है, and most of these times what happen if you are not using the cloud service facilities, then there might be the chances my server will be the idle for whenever we don't have the traffic, whenever we don't have the load on our server. So these are the limitation already I have discussed. Take a limitation kya tha, just I said na कि what happened, every time I need a manpower in order to provide the services based on 24/7. For any additional load we have to buy the server. ठीक है, whenever we don't have the load, then my server will be the idle. So in order to overcome these problems, what the industry they have planned a cloud computing environment. And what is cloud computing? This is a service platform where the customer using internet can avail the ऑन डिमांड डिलीवरी ऑफ द डेटाबेस. आप डेटाबेस भी ले सकते हो, जैसे मान लो कि आपके सिस्टम में डेटाबेस नहीं है, ठीक है, आई विल शो यू हाउ टू. तो आपके सिस्टम में you don't want to install the MySQL in your system. So what we will do, we will go and create an account in AWS, or AWS में we will go and create their database we will use in order to do my database creation and all. So now means with the help of this one we are able to get the storage means मान लो कि आपको अपने documents you want to store, ठीक है, तो what happened, आप cloud पे जाओ, AWS पे you go and open your account and you can store any n number of files up to 1 TB, up to शायद up to 500 TB they are providing the storage. उसके बाद they will charge some money. Yeah, up to 500 TB you are able to store your file over the cloud. और उसका एडवांटेज क्या होगा, मान लो the same file I am keeping in my laptop, or something happened with my laptop, then I am not able to recover, I am not able to back up my file. लेकिन what happened, I am keeping my keeping the file inside my laptop, as well as I am keeping also all the files inside the cloud. What happen? Anything happen in my system, any kind of failure happen in with my laptop, then I am able to recover my files from the cloud. And then this is the database backup and recovery we are getting with the help of this one. Okay, so we are able to get the storage, we are able to get the servers, we are able to get the database, and I will show you how we can go and take the how we go and take the help of, means how we go and avail the services of storage, servers and database. Everything I will explain, don't worry. Okay. Now देखो, already we are having what is the meaning of this one? So before cloud computing we are having a concept of local server. Local server is what? मैंने just I said ना, everything will be on our premises. जैसे मान लो I want to handle all your DAB details. So what I need a server inside the campus, and in that particular system I will go and store all the information related to you people. This is what? This is the local server. Lekin when we go and avail the services of cloud computing, what will happen? What will happen? We are getting a server, virtual server. देखो यहाँ पे this one concept, इसको हम बोलते हैं local server. If you are keeping all the information inside the ना सुजीत. तो now see, देखो local server DAB में we are having local servers. लेकिन suppose we you go and create an account in AWS or Microsoft Azure, so they are providing a virtual server, they are providing the remote server, means all the informations, all the application, all the database we are keeping inside the server away from us. That's why we are calling instead of using the local servers, cloud computing, they will provide the remote servers, means the server is not near to you, it will be somewhere else where we can store, where we can manage, where we can store, manage data in order to process them. अब cloud computing में we are, अब बोलोगे कि sir, suppose we are keeping all the database, we are keeping all the files over the cloud, then how my data and how my files will be secure? So now they are providing the concept, we are calling them as a public cloud, private cloud, hybrid and computing cloud, means they are providing the features. अब होगा क्या? They will give the server, ठीक है? अब उस server को you can go and partition, आप उसको partition कर सकते हो कि now this particular IP address up to this and this. सबनेटिंग एक कंसेप्ट है, दिस इज नॉट देयर इन योर सिलेबस. उसमें क्या होता है कि वी आर गोइंग टू स्लाइस आवर ड्राइव्स इनटू द मल्टीपल सेक्शन. तो मान लो आईपी एड्रेस फ्रॉम दिस, जैसे मैंने मान लो कि सराउंडिंग योर लोकेलिटी में क्या होता है कि हाउस नंबर 1 से 50 तक हाउस नंबर है, तो 1 to 20 वी विल कंसिडर एज ए प्राइवेट हाउसेस, ठीक है, एंड 21 to 40 वी कंसिडर एज ए पब्लिक क्लाउड. मीन्स व्हाट हैपन, इस पर्टिकुलर प्राइवेट क्लाउड में 1 to 20 हाउसेस में नोबडी विल गो एंड डू एनी काइंड ऑफ storage or any kind of operations within these houses. So this is what, this is the private houses. Now whenever we are talking about the public houses, anybody can go and enter, anybody can enter into the public houses, and he and she can do he and she can perform any kind of operations or any kind of file they can keep. So the same concept they are providing ki now in order to secure your data, they are providing the private cloud and they are also providing the public cloud. Jaise maan lo we being as a company, we are developing a website, and that particular website may we are having two part. One part common for all, and one part I don't allow all the person or all the people to do any kind of transaction. So what happened? Database I will keep inside the private cloud, and then my website detail I will keep in the public cloud. अब होगा क्या? Anybody can go and see the website, any kind of information is there, ठीक है? They can do what? They can assess the information, they can see the information, they can do any kind of they can see the information, they can apply for any kind of options and all. Lekin what happen when a particular person will go and register or fill the credential or fill any information, what I need, I want to store those information in my private cloud. So now inside the private cloud we are keeping the database, means all the information. जैसे मान लो Mr. A is trying to fill the form, और उसके बाद Mr. B is also login into the system and then he filled the form. So what happened? Mr. A will not be able to see the Mr. B form, and Mr. B is not able to see the A form. And how this is happening? This is happening since the cloud service provider, they are also providing a features where we can we are calling them as a private cloud. Private cloud means what? I can keep my server into, I can divide my server into the multiple options. The option number one, public. I can make my server public. I can make my server private. ठीक है, all database related tasks we will keep in the private server, and all the common, all the uh, unnecessary, all the what I said, हाँ, all the public information I will keep in the public cloud. ठीक है, public
Sir?
server. हाँ, yes, बोलो.
Sir, if we keep all the database in the private server, then will it not be hacked, or there will not be any chance of getting hacked?
Actually, whatever just I said ना, we are having a subnetting. अब subnetting में क्या होगा, we are getting a server. जैसे मान लो कि they will provide a server between IP address, some IP address. जैसे मैंने हाउस का एग्जांपल दिया ना कि 1 to 50, अब IP address का रेंज है, ठीक है, it will be 3 digit number separated by the dot dot dot, यानी टोटल आपके पास होंगे 12 digit number. For every 3 digit number, after every 3 digit number we are having a dot. जैसे यहाँ पे देखो IP address, ये आपका IP एड्रेस का ये फंडा है, रुको मैं दिखा रहा हूं. रुको, गूगल का मैं दिखा रहा हूं IP एड्रेस. नाउ सी, दिख रहा आपको, दिस इज द IP एड्रेस, ठीक है, दिस वन देखो, ठीक है, लाइक दिस. तो दीज आर द नंबर्स.
8888.
नो 88 नहीं, एनी नंबर, इट मे बी एनी नंबर. जैसे ना यहाँ पे ना दे आर, देखो 192 168.1.0.1, दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज द IP एड्रेस. तो अगेन in order to generate the IP address ना, we are having a concept of public, ठीक है, class A, class B, class C, class D. Means class A में ना they are having a range from 0 to 128. देखो यहाँ पे आई एम डिस्प्लेइंग, यहाँ देखो, देखो दिस वन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. तो नाउ योर नेटवर्क, ठीक है, नेटवर्क में ना वी आर हैविंग क्लासेस, डिफरेंट क्लासेस आर देयर. तो 0 to 127, दिस इज व्हाट, बिटवीन एनी IP एड्रेस. आप किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का IP एड्रेस, आप NTPC का चेक करो, ONGC का चेक करो, NIC का चेक करो, ठीक, एनी गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट, देयर IP एड्रेस विल बी बिटवीन दीज, इस नंबर के अंदर में ही होगा. 0 to 127, दिस इज ऑन बाय व्हाट, दिस इज ऑन बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
Sir, can we create our own?
No, we are not able to create our, we can choose any IP address. हाँ, आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि now we can do one thing, आप अपने नेटवर्क के लिए we can subnetting them and then we can generate the IP address. ठीक है, तो now देखो, all the private organization they are having IP address after 192 onwards between 223. Class D is also there. Class D IP address basically used by the research center. जितने भी वर्ल्ड में, जितने भी हिंदुस्तान और वर्ल्ड में रिसर्च सेंटर है ना, they are working on the class D address. Class D address में again we are having some IP address. तो होता क्या है कि now when we are going to avail the services of cloud server, they will provide a range, they will provide a IP address. जैसे मान लो कि IP address उन्होंने they are providing like this. उन्होंने ऐसा कहा कि चलो your IP address will be like this. मान लो उन्होंने दिया between 2, they are giving a server, और उस सर्वर में उन्होंने कहा कि between these numbers we are getting the server. Means my server का IP एड्रेस क्या है, between these numbers now we do one thing, we go and create my virtual server. Means इसको ना मैं पार्टीशन कर दूंगा. Means some numbers I will reserve for the public cloud, some numbers we will go and reserve for the प्राइवेट क्लाउड. और जब आप अपनी एप्लीकेशन को अपलोड करोगे दैट पर्टिकुलर सर्वर में, तो देन वी कैन गो एंड स्पेसिफाई द IP एड्रेस कि दिस IP एड्रेस में आई वांट टू इंस्टॉल द एप्लीकेशन, एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर IP एड्रेस में ऑल द डेटाबेस विल बी देयर. तो व्हाट हैपेंड, तो दिस whatever we are keeping inside the private cloud that cannot be accessed. और इसमें भी कंसेप्ट है नेट गेटवे बोल के एक कंसेप्ट है. उसमें क्या होता है ना कि एनीबॉडी इज ट्राइंग टू deal with the private server na, my system will not allow, restrict, automatically we will get the notification, ठीक है, कि you are not the valid user to get access into this particular system. अब पब्लिक में क्या होगा, देखो I will show you एक आर्किटेक्चर है, उसमें दिखाऊंगा मैं कैसे कि now what happen if anybody is doing anything with the website, तो public cloud में anybody can go, public में in and out दोनों है, लेकिन private cloud में only we are having, but we are having a out option, in option is not there. Out option means what? Means if I want to see some information, if I am giving the information, then only I am able to see the information if I am a valid user. So this is what they are controlling with the help of net gateway, NAT. ठीक है, network address translation. One concept is there. With the help of this one, we are restricting, we are preventing unauthorized user to get into the private cloud. So when we are talking about the cloud server, so cloud में we are having a features, and with the help of those features, we are able to do what? We will go and avail the server, and that particular server, रुको मेरे पास होगा, रुको, I am displaying, रुको, देखो, this one we are talking about कि कैसे हम बनाएंगे उसको. देखो BPC, this one we are talking about. मैं दिखा रहा हूं, देखो यहाँ पर टाइम तो नहीं है लेकिन नेक्स्ट क्लास में दिखा दूंगा. देखो, तो दिस इज व्हाट वर्चुअल प्राइवेट क्लाउड वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट. अब देखो कैसे क्रिएट होगा. दिस वन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्रिएट बीपीसी. बीपीसी मींस आई वांट टू क्रिएट अ वर्चुअल प्राइवेट क्लाउड. देखो प्राइवेट क्लाउड नेम इज देयर, ठीक है. तो if I open an account, जब आप if you open an account ना, we are getting a dashboard. This is the dashboard. यहाँ पे ना we are getting a option create VPC. अब इस पे मैं क्लिक करूंगा ना, तो now give a unique name to your VPC. आप अपने सर्वर को नाम भी दे सकते हो. And by default देखो my system is giving the IP address. यहाँ दिख रहा है, रुको मैं बड़ा कर रहा हूँ. देखो देखो when we go and create the virtual private cloud, your system, your virtual cloud service provider, they are providing what? They are providing the IP address. तो go and assign a name. ठीक है, उसके बाद आप क्रिएट पे क्लिक करो. ठीक है, क्रिएट पे क्लिक करने के बाद वी आर गेटिंग व्हाट, देखो दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग आईपी एड्रेस. ये दिख रहा है आपको, अप टू दिस वन वी आर गेटिंग द साइडर रेंज. तो नाउ दिस इज माय क्लाउड नेम. ये मेरा क्लाउड का नाम था जो जस्ट आई हैव क्रिएटेड. ठीक है, और उसके बाद ना वी कैन गो एंड क्रिएट द, देखो यहाँ पे वी कैन ऑल्सो असाइन द ग्रुप. अब यहाँ पे ना वी कैन सिक्योर आवर आईपी एड्रेस और वर्चुअल प्राइवेट क्लाउड. इसमें क्या होगा कि नाउ वी कैन सेट द, जैसे मैंने आई विल गो एंड क्रिएट द रूल्स, कुछ रूल्स बना दूंगा कि नाउ नोबडी विल बी एबल टू अपलोड एनीथिंग ऑन माय सर्वर. तो वहां पे क्या होगा ना, सम रूल्स, सम प्री डिफाइंड रूल्स आर देयर, आप उसको पिक करो. अदरवाइज यू कैन डू वन थिंग, यू कैन गो एंड टेक क्रिएट योर ओन पॉलिसी, और उस पॉलिसी में और उस रूल्स में यू गो एंड डिफाइन ओनली द पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज एबल टू रीड द फाइल, means write permission is not allowed. So these all are what? These all we are handling with the help of security group. Means we will go and form a अब देखो, अब एक सिंगल सर्वर आई एम गेटिंग. देखो मैंने जस्ट बोला था ना, सिंगल सर्वर वी आर गेटिंग, और उस सर्वर को वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड इनटू मल्टीपल सबनेट. सबनेट इज व्हाट, जैसे एक पिज्जा है, पिज्जा में क्या होता है, वी आर स्लाइसिंग, ठीक है, इन नंबर ऑफ पीसेस. इन द सेम when we have created a virtual private cloud, उस particular cloud को we are going to divide into multiple subnet. Subnet means what? Means a large server we are getting, we are going to divide into 3 different slices. पहला slice subnet this is second slice, this is the third slice. और यहाँ पे देखो ना BPC का ना हमने already, the name will be the common. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको, single BPC है, single cloud we are getting, single private server we are getting, और इस particular server को we have divided into 3 subnet. और देखो यहाँ पे ना IP address is changing. देखो फर्स्ट वाले का सबनेट का IP एड्रेस है 31.32.0. हाँ बोलो
सर. तीनों सर्वर का क्या मतलब प्राइवेट जो लिंक्स है वो क्या यूनिक रहेगा या फिर सेम रहेगा?
कौन सा लिंक, विच लिंक?
सर तो आपने बोला था ना कि एक बड़ा पहले बार हम लोग के पास सर्वर है, उससे हम सब डिवाइड करके सब नेट्स बनाएंगे.
यस यस
या सो सर
रेंज के व्हाट एवर, देखो व्हेनेवर वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट द बीपीसी ना, दे विल प्रोवाइड ए रेंज. ठीक है, विद इन दैट रेंज वी कैन गो एंड देन डिवाइड फर्दर सब डिवीजन वी कैन डू. जैसे मान लो कि आई एम गिविंग द एरिया, मैंने बोला कि आप यहाँ से डीएबी मॉडल से लेकर 5 किलोमीटर टुवर्ड्स गांधी मोड़, ऑल द प्रॉपर्टी आपका है. तो आपने क्या किया, दिस इज द वर्चुअल प्राइवेट. नाउ फ्रॉम डीएबी मॉडल टू गांधी मोड़, ऑल द प्रॉपर्टी बिलोंग टू मिस्टर ए. So now once we have assigned the property, now the Mr. A will decide कि in this property how many blocks he and she will create. So now we are having a limitation, means Mr. A only can create the block within DAB model and Gandhi mode. अब Gandhi mode से आगे जाके you are not able to create any other block. So this is what this area I have handed over to you. मैंने आपको दिया. Now it's your choice कि आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि from DAB model school to NIT you can create one block. NIT से लेके फिर आप वो गांधी मोड़ जो है वहां तक आपने यू हैव क्रिएटेड 2 ब्लॉक. ऐसा भी हो सकता है या somebody they can do one thing. उसने क्या किया कि यहाँ से लेके और ये जो स्टेडियम है वहां तक 1 ब्लॉक, फ्रॉम स्टेडियम टू NIT 2nd ब्लॉक एंड देन NIT टू गांधी मोड़ 3rd ब्लॉक. लेकिन we have to we are having a limitation from DAB model to Gandhi mode. So in between these area we can create the subnetting and all. The same funda, same concept we are using in the virtual private cloud.
All subnets are unique or they are different in some aspects?
They are different. Means we are assigning the range na based on the range. जैसे मैंने बोला ना कि the suppose we are having a 10 kilometer property. ठीक है, 10 kilometer property belong to me. तो initial 1 to 3 kilometer the property 1, 3 to 7 property number 2 and 7 to 10 property number 3. So 1 to 3 this is what this is the IP range we are talking. Means between these IP range this will be the part of subnet 1. The second IP range this will be the part of subnetting 2 and then third one we are third one we will go and consider as a subnetting 3. अब आप बोलोगे कि सर why we are dividing. अब होगा क्या, in the first subnet we are keeping all the public related files. Subnetting 2 में we are going to keep all the confidential file, all the database related files, all the database application we are keeping in the subnet 2. अब होगा क्या कि now the entire server belong to me, लेकिन now we have divided into 3 different part. तो now public anybody can access whatever there in the subnet 1, लेकिन nobody will be other than unauthorized user, other than authorized user, nobody will be able to see anything whatever we have kept inside the subnetting 2. So this is the funda of subnetting. This one clear? Means we are dividing our IP address into the multiple range with different range, and with the help of those range we are going to create the subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. और उसके बाद in every subnet we are able to keep our application, keep our database based on our the requirement. अब जैसे यहाँ पे देखो now BPC created, तो देखो यहाँ पे BPC, this is the BPC name, और यहाँ पे ना cloud service provider में they are providing the availability zone. अब वो ये होता क्या है, मैंने जस्ट बोला था ना कि nowadays my file anything we are doing in Google server, they are not keeping all the information in a single server. They are keeping the information in the multiple server. आपने देखा होगा 10 and 15 years before, आप पापा मम्मी से पूछना कि when they went and when they go and try to create the account in the Yahoo, initially Yahoo they are providing the email ID yahoo.com. लेकिन after some years they realize that the number of Yahoo users increases, so now they realize that you do one thing, rather than providing the yahoo.com. Yahoo.com is what means they had a server in the USA initially, and then that particular server they are having a name yahoo.com. Means anybody is going to anybody go and create the account, they are creating the account in that particular server, US server. That's why we are getting yahoo.com. लेकिन when the number of users increases, they realize कि now the overhead, the loads are there, more loads are there in the yahoo.com. So they have kept country wise, they are keeping the server. India में एक server रख दिया उन्होंने, then पाकिस्तान में उन्होंने, UK में they have kept one server. और उसके बाद क्या हुआ, based on your address it will go to the respective server, and we are getting the Yahoo में if anybody go and try to create the account in the Yahoo right now from the India address, we are getting the email ID yahoo.co.in. Why? They have kept the server in the India. So like this, any cloud service provider, they are also providing the zones, multiple zones they are providing. Southeast zone, okay, Asia Pacific means Asia में they have kept one server. ठीक है, then US में they are having one server. तो अब होगा क्या, anybody is we can go and decide the zone. ठीक है, आप सिंगापुर भी ले सकते हो, you can go and take the AP South. इंडिया में since we are working in the India, तो now होगा क्या, we go and take the help of AP South 1 availability zone. Means this particular server where it will be there, it will be related to this particular zone only. So like this we go and specify. देखो यहाँ पे ना we are going to specify the range. यहाँ दिख रहा है आपको, मैंने क्या बोला 10.0.00/16. This is what, this is the division we are going, means after every 16 gap we are going to create the one range. यहाँ पे देखो, then again we have created the second one, block number 2. Like this we will go and create the subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. देखो यहाँ पे रेंज दिख रहा है, सबनेट 1, ठीक है, दिस इज द रेंज. सबनेट 2 का रेंज यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा. लाइक दिस वी गो एंड क्रिएट द मल्टीपल साइडर रेंज. और इससे क्या होगा कि नाउ वी आर एबल टू सिक्योर माई डेटा बाई फॉर्मिंग, बाई क्रिएटिंग द by dividing the server into the public cloud and private cloud. ठीक है, तो this is the way to create the BPC and then divide the virtual private cloud into the multiple subnet, and then we can store the, देखो यहाँ पे this one we are talking about internet gateway. मैं इस रूल की बात कर रहा था, this rules we are talking about. अब इसमें क्या होगा, internet gateway means what, anything is coming from the internet ना, this particular rule will decide, ठीक है, whether to accept or not. तो वी कैन रेस्ट्रिक्ट, हम वहां पे रोक भी सकते हैं, ठीक है, लाइक दिस. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दिस वन. देखो यहाँ पे बीपीसी क्रिएट हो गया. देन वी आर गोइंग टू अटैच द इंटरनेट गेटवे. अब इंटरनेट गेटवे देखो हमने यहाँ पे लगा दिया, यानी क्या होगा, इस पर्टिकुलर सर्वर पे एनीथिंग वी आर अलाउिंग, मीन्स नाउ एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट can be sent to this particular BPC. Like this we can specify the color, we can specify the rules. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद राउटर आ जाता है. आपने सुना होगा राउटर क्या होता है. जैसे मान लो कि मैं अपने सर्वर से किसी को कुछ भेजना चाहता हूँ, तो वी हैव टू डिसाइड द रूट ऑल्सो, द पाथ, ठीक है, वेयर टू सेंड. एंड दिस वन हाउ वी विल गो एंड सेट, वी आर हैविंग ए राउटर्स, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ राउटर्स, अब जब आप इस पे क्लिक करोगे ना, तो वी आर गेटिंग ए ऑप्शन. इस ऑप्शन पे क्या होगा, योर सिस्टम विल आस्क. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या बोला है, लोकल. देखो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज ओनली द लोकल, मीन्स दीज 2 IP एड्रेस only deal with the local request. Anything coming from the internet on these IP address, my system will not able to receive, my system is not able to store anything, means your system will discard anything away from the local machine. अब देखो this is what internet gateway, यानी anything is coming from anywhere. अब 00 मैंने लिखा means what, from any website. If anybody is want to see my website, he and she will be able to see. That's why we have given the target internet gateway and we have given the permission. 00 means we are not specifying the IP address. लेकिन यदि मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ 192.168.8.0, तो now only from this particular IP address we are able to send anything on the website. लेकिन यहाँ पे मैंने 00 means लिख दिया, means we are allowing anybody from any website, he and she can send, he and she can see my website. So we are allowing what, we are giving the permission to my this IP address. 00 means what, means we are allowing all to see my website content. Like this we go and set the routers. ठीक है, तो this is all about, so this is the working of this one. देखो यहाँ पे, तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, देखो this is my subnet 1, this is my subnet 2. दोनों का IP एड्रेस देखो चेंज हो गया. जैसे मैं बोला था ना, the first 3 kilometer we will go up to the NIT, we are forming one block, और from NIT to गांधी मोड़ we are forming the block number 2. तो like this देखो यहाँ पे IP एड्रेस का जो साइडर रेंज है ना, we are changing, means 1.0 से up to 2.0 we are having subnet 1, और उसके बाद 10.0.2.0 onwards we are having subnet 2. तो like this, ठीक है. सॉरी. तो अब आपको एक काम करना है, जस्ट आई एम ऑलरेडी क्लास ओवर हो चुका है, तो जस्ट आई एम सेंडिंग दिस वन, यू जस्ट गो थ्रू एंड डिसाइड द थीम. ठीक है, और मैं देखता हूँ, आई विल द नेक्स्ट सैटरडे ना वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द AI. ठीक है, AI में व्हाट यू कैन डू. हाँ बोलो. यस
Sir, you have told that Cloud Drive AWS will, sir, the sir, there I have read that there is a operating system called Kali Linux.
yes
Yes, sir. Many ethical hackers use that operating system for hacking, sir. Sir, I have used that operating system also, sir. I have seen that many hacking tools are there, and then I have in Google I have read that with Kali Linux you can in a website that you want to make the website down, and if the website is online and you can want to make down, you can send many requests, and at last they have no option, they will make their website down.
yes
Will this happen in this case of AWS?
देखो, as far as hacking concerned ना, Now all the cloud service provider, they are working on this one, means they are going to apply the machine learning, they are going to apply the deep learning in order to improvise the, in order to overcome this problem. Okay, still the research, still the development is going on. Okay, लेकिन up to what I read, ठीक है, last year ना 70-80% they have improvised, means they are giving the promise, they are promising to all the company, those who are requesting for the cloud service facilities and all, कि now your data will be secure, means they are providing the facilities where your data will be secure. Means Kali Linux जो आप बता रहे हो, this is what, this is a open source operating system. Nowadays everywhere the hackers, they are using in order to hack, in order to steal your information from the website. So they are restricting by supplying, they are already working on the deep learning and machine learning in order to overcome these kind of problem. ठीक है ना, लेकिन till now most of the company, they are availing the services of cloud server, and till now they are not facing any difficulties. अब आप free, आप suppose you are using the free services, जैसे मैंने बोला ना, you pay 2 rupees and then you are able to create an account and you are doing all the things. So in that case the hackers will be able to see your information in a easy way. लेकिन when you go and purchase, ठीक है, when you go and then request for some VPC and all, and then that particular VPC will not be hacked by the users, hacked by anybody, since that particular IP address associated with you means you are the owner of that particular server. ठीक है? Yes. तो देखो, request from my side, you just go through the circular, you finalize your theme, some idea, means how the AI technology or how the AWS, means the cloud service, both the collaboration of AWS means integration of AI, integration of cloud service, cloud servers, how with the help of these two technology we are able to change the future of the country in these area. ठीक है, तो you just finalize any theme, ठीक है, get some idea, already you have my number, ठीक है, you drop your idea कि sir I am planning to do this one, can you guide me, then I will give the information, then I will provide some material, then I will provide some notes and all, ठीक है, and then we help you, don't worry, ठीक है. तो first you go do one thing, just go through the circular, try to identify the themes, ठीक है, and they get some idea कि sir education system में I want to develop using AI technology, I want to improvise the education system. Means if anybody, जैसे मान लो कि if anybody is thinking, anybody is having any problem in any subject, ठीक है, तो what happened, my system will go and connect with all the different website, ठीक है, जैसे Edureka है, ठीक है, Udemy है, तो these are the website, different website, they are providing the online education system. So what happened, if any students, they are having any problem in any technology or any language, so what happened, we will develop, suppose we are developing an application, we are developing a system, and what happened, you go and post your query, automatically based on your query and based on your doubts, it will go and then connect with all the respective online education system or education portal, and then try to solve your query. So this is what we are using the AI. So what AI will do, based on your query, it will go and recommend some of the application, some of the online education system portal, and then again you have to select, they will recommend some, मान लो कि our 20 and 40 online education portals are there, and we want to deal with only the 3 and 2 top 3. So what happened, they will recommend all, and then from top 3 we are getting the my query, they will solve my query, and they will send my note, they will send the solution to that particular problem to my login ID, my email ID or my mobile, like this. So like this you have to plan something कि how we are going to improvise the future of the country in the healthcare में आज nowadays AI, most of the many area they are using AI. जैसे मान लो ये particular person is the chances of heart attack or chances of diabetes होगा या नहीं होगा, now with the help of AI, ठीक है, with the help of machine learning and deep learning, now they are predicting whether a particular person will, the chances of heart attack will be there or not. Like this, agriculture में you can identify, ठीक है, कि fertility मतलब the soil fertility we can measure, ठीक है, कि whether the chances of fertility is there or not in this particular soil or not. तो इस तरह से transportation में now they are using the self driving car, ठीक है, सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार में क्या होगा, ऑटोमेटिक नो ड्राइवर विल बी देयर, दे आर कीपिंग द सेंसर्स एंड बेस्ड ऑन द machine learning and deep learning, what happened if anybody is coming in front of the car, they will senses the object and then they will take the decision based on the object. अब मान लो a small object is coming, then that particular car will cross over the object. If the large big object is there, then car has to think of, and then that particular car has to take the decision whether it will go to the left hand side and right hand side. Then while moving on the left hand side, again the car will observe or notice whether any traffic is there or not, or any congestion is there or not. If any congestion is there, then automatically car will take the decision on the right hand side. So now these all are what? These all are the area where the AI and the cloud service, cloud computing environment both are doing. They are contributing. They already contributed so many research and all on these topic. ठीक है, तो you have to think of, you have to plan something based on the theme. आप decide करो, then you let me know. ठीक है कि sir, this is my theme and we are planning something like this. उसके बाद we will discuss on this one and we go and register for this one. All clear or not clear? ठीक है, चलो you all take care, bye. ठीक है, and we will discuss in the next class. ठीक है, चलो, और till now you finalize this one. ठीक है, your topic, your theme, your topic or area. ठीक है, then we will discuss on this. चलो, bye. बोलो yes.